today with the 2020 S60. Downright shameless with the affectionate shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.